Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zain, and I've been trading the markets for quite a few years now. And I trade on the basic principle of volume price analysis. This is a high win rate strategy, guys. But the con is that the setups are very rare. Yeah, you'll have to analyze 100, 500 charts before you find a setup. Yeah, so I'm not going to explain the strategy in theory to y'all. I have some indicators that I use, and I'm going to show it to y'all on the charts, and then you can backtest it and see how it works. So let me tell you what we're looking for here. Let me open this chart. Visa. Let's go with Visa. Recently took this trade. Okay. So the first thing we're looking for here, guys, is we are looking for three lower highs. Okay. Here you can see we see one high here. We see second lower high here. We see a third lower high here. Okay. After seeing this, what we are looking for is we are looking for a break of this third lower high. Okay. Here you can see we see a break of this lower high here. Okay. Now after seeing the break, what we are looking for is we want three conditions to be fulfilled. Okay. The first condition is we want four red or yellow bars on this volume analysis indicator for a bullish candle. Okay, here you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now first condition is fulfilled. Okay, now second condition is we are looking for a market test. Now what is a market test? A market test is a candle with low volume and the small candle with low volume. Okay, here you can see small candle with low volume. Now second condition is fulfilled. Now our third condition is we want the break of this high. Okay, we want a break of this high. Now here you can see we saw a break of this high with this candle when the candle closed. Okay, so the very next candle is where we enter the market. Okay, now here you can see I took this trade recently and I entered here. That is why I already have these drawings on my chart. Okay, so we entered here. All right, now when do we exit? Now I don't put any stop losses, or I particularly don't have any exit strategy. I exit when I see weakness in the charts. Okay, now if you don't understand weakness, what you can do is you can see if the price fails to fails to break a higher high, you can exit. Like here you can see this was a higher high, this was a higher high. The market failed to if the market failed to break a higher high, you can exit. But I'll show you one weakness. If you want to see if there is weakness in the charts, you can see like here you can see a big red candle with wick rejection followed by a bearish candle. Okay, this is a indication of weakness in the price movement, and this is where I exited. This is where I took the exit, and I made I made like 5% on this trade. Yeah, let me show it to you on another chart. PNG. I'm currently in this trade. Yeah, I haven't finished this trade yet. Yeah, okay. Let me show you this chart. See, what we are looking for is, guys, we are looking for three lower highs or two lower highs. Okay, now here we've already seen a downfall of the price, so here I only considered two lower highs. Okay, so this was one, as you can see, this is two, so we mark a lower high here. All right, and now we see the break of this lower high. Okay, see, we saw a breakout here. Okay, now all three conditions need to be fulfilled. What is the first one? We want to see four yellow or red candles for a bullish bar, red bars for a bullish candle. Okay, we see one, we see two, we see three. Now this is for a bearish candle, we don't consider this, and this is four. All right, first condition is fulfilled. Second condition is a market test. You can see a market test, small candle, low volume. Second condition is fulfilled. Now our third condition was the break of this high. We see it broken already. Okay, so this is where we enter. When all our conditions are fulfilled, we entered here. Okay, I entered here, and where do I exit? I mainly use that strategy which I told you. You know, a big red candle with the wick rejection. Okay, I took an exit on this trade recently only, like 2 or 3 days back. Okay, so I already know where I'm going. Here. I took an exit here. See, I'll show it to you. See, big red candle with wick rejection followed by a bearish candle. This is where we exit. Okay, see, I made like 25% from this trade. So guys, this type of strategy, in this strategy you will find very rare setups, but when you find it, you'll like make an average of 20 to 25% from it. Yeah, I'll show you my trades, see, of last 2 years on Tesla. Okay, I took this trade in November 24, and this is also a recent trade. I made like 16% from it. Now this was a break even trade. Okay, now then I took this trade in May 23, 2023, and I made 51% from it. Then I took this trade in Jan 23, made 37% from it. Then I took this trade in March 22, and I made 2% from it. Like you can see, in 2 years time, the stock only gave me like 4 or 5 opportunities. You know, only 4 or 5 opportunities, but the opportunities were big. Like I made like 100% from the stock. 16, 50, 37, and yeah. So this is a strategy, guys. This is my very first YouTube video. I hope I was able to explain it to you all well. Guys, the thing with this is you will have to like analyze like 100, 500 charts before you find a setup. If you see my watch list, I have like 1,000 stocks in my watch list, and all I do all day is I only analyze stocks. So if you want, you can also join my community, my private community. I'll put the link in the description. You can join my private community where I share my analysis and my setups there, and you can also ask me any questions regarding the strategy if you have, and I'll give an explanation for it. Yeah, guys, so back test it on your screens and let me know in the comments if you all like this strategy and how it works for y'all. And yeah, don't forget to check out my community and give some support, guys. Yeah, thanks. See you.